फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Hello everyone, you're watching Cricket Next. I'm Saramya Kaushik. Now T20 World Cup 2024 is on, but our eyes are all set on that big match, India versus Pakistan on June 9th at the Nassau County International Cricket Stadium in New York. But ahead of this match, the security has been increased in and around the stadium. The security has been enhanced in the stadium as the Nassau County Police Department is overseeing a comprehensive operation to ensure the safety of the games held from June 3 to June 12 at this stadium. Now, a total of 8 matches will be played. The first match at the Nassau County International Cricket Stadium was between Sri Lanka and South Africa. And before India-Pakistan game, Team India will be up against Ireland on 5th of June. But to ensure proper safety and security of all the team members and of all the teams, and during the course of the match as well, to ensure the safety measures, the snipers have now been positioned at covert locations around the venue. Now we have got such visuals where snipers were seen at several locations around the venue, and they were also positioned at a place where they could see what's going in and around of the stadium. Now these measures have been taken after several reports that came in, and it's actually in response to threats from pro ISIS groups. Security measures have been heightened to the levels that they now include SWAT teams with specialist snipers, as you can see over here, and also include plain clothes police officers operating inside the ground. So in the stadium during the match day also there will be police officers in plain clothes, and they have been asked to take care of the security of the matches and also of the team players. And as I already mentioned, this is in response to the threats that came from different militant organizations. Now, the another area of concern is the pitches. Now, there have been drop-in pitches at the Nassau County International Cricket Stadium. So this is a makeshift stadium. It was made in just 5 months, and after the T20 World Cup, it will be all dismantled. Now, in terms of pitches, the pitches were brought in from Australia. So these pitches are drop-in pitches, and for all the 4 drop-in pitches, there has been a concrete plan to protect these pitches, and also the security forces have been deployed near the pitches. So these pitches are under continuous 24-hour surveillance by officers from the Forces Narcotics Division, who have been reassigned from their regular duties to ensure the pitches are not tampered with. Also, in preparation for the upcoming event, especially the big match, India versus Pakistan match, these drop-in pitches, as you can see here in the visual, all these drop-in pitches have been protected by police forces, and Nassau's police department has collaborated with various organizations, including the Federal Bureau of Investigation (FBI), the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, and the New York Police Department, among others. Now, all these security forces have come together to ensure proper match between the two teams and also the security of the team members. So this coordinated effort now aims to ensure the safety and security of all participants and attendees throughout the duration of the competition. Now, the Nassau County executive said that the level of security will be comparable to that of the Super Bowl, but on steroids, as he mentioned in a statement, that all the security forces have been taken care in terms of ensuring the smooth conduct of the matches at the Nassau County International Cricket Stadium. As I already mentioned, that it's a makeshift ground. It was made within just 5 months, and it will be dismantled after the T20 World Cup, which means that they are taking even smallest of steps to ensure the safety and security of not only the team members, not only the teams that have come to the US, but also of the ground, the pitch, and the attendees that will come to witness such a big tournament, T20 World Cup 2024. But it is one such incident where we have seen snipers where we are also seeing police officers. So, snipers have been deployed, police officers in plain clothes have been deployed for the smooth conduct of this match. Now, that's that from our side. Now, what do you have to say about the security measures taken in this T20 World Cup? Do let us know in the comment section down below.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।